Welcome to the Organized tutorial series. In this video we'll show you how to create a new project based on an existing folder breakdown. Automatically generate the project's participants list. Let's get started. On the ribbon bar, click on the New button. A message prompts us to provide the correct paths to given files or folders if these are not up to date or not yet defined. This being our case, let's start by providing the path to the contacts file. But first, let's take a look at a typical contact file. It's basically an Excel file containing participant-related tables in separate spreadsheets. Each sheet contains information on existing and future participants in your projects. That said, a contact file template is provided in the description. You can access it by clicking on the corresponding link. Next, let's provide the path to the Project Breakdown template folder. This folder contains a tree structure of folders and files that you can prepare as you wish. As an example, a project tree folder template could contain folders for the preliminary design phase, detailed design phase, and so on. It's like a footprint that you'll use for each project you plan to create. Finally, let's give the path to the folder where the created project will be saved. With the correct path supplied, we can start again. Click on the New button in the ribbon. Select project participant types and add them. Select the main property by which you want the participants to be displayed. In the following, we'll use the name as the main property. Click OK to proceed to the next step. Clicking on the question mark will bring up a list of existing projects to draw inspiration from the formalism already adopted. Give your new project a folder name. Now, for each participant type, choose the corresponding name. Finally, click on OK. Let's check that the project has been properly created. And that the list of participants is 2. Job done. Everything has been created as expected. This method will enable you to guarantee a rigorous formalism that can be replicated from project to project. With this, we conclude this tutorial. Thank you.